Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Incredible, B2.
Amazing, B1.
We've never seen this place before.
And it's so close to home.
We might be able to find some new plants.
Or some new animals.
Was that you, B2?
I thought it was you, B1.
Over that way. Watch the branch, B2.
Watching, B1. Sorry, B1.
No problem, B2.
Hello? Hello?
Who is that?
And where are you?
Up, up, up.
Up?
Hello, hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello, hello.
You're a talking bird?
We've never seen a talking bird.
What's your name?
Billy, Billy the bird, Billy the bird.
This is amazing, B2.
It's incredible, B1.
Ah!
Our friends the Teddies would love to meet you, Billy.
You'll really like them.
You stay right here.
We'll be straight back.
It's wonderful to make a new friend.
It's even more wonderful when it's a talking bird. Teddies! Teddies!
What is it, Bananas? Is something wrong?
You've got to see something.
Come and look.
Look at what?
It's a surprise.
A pajama-tastic surprise.
Oof. Come on.
I wonder what it is. You just never know with the bananas.
Let's go. We're right behind you, Bananas.
Wow! We've never been through here before.
We haven't either.
We discovered it this morning.
But what is it you want to show us, Bananas?
We met a new friend.
And we want you to meet him too.
So where is your new friend?
He's up in this tree. He was there.
He's a talking bird.
What?
It's true. He told us his name.
It's Billy.
A talking bird. That's a good trick.
But it's not a trick.
Good one, Bananas. You really fooled us.
We weren't trying to fool you.
Billy's real. Truly.
Talking bird. Oh, great joke, Bananas.
We did see Billy, didn't we, B1?
We did, B2. And we talked to him.
Talked. Talk.
Did you hear that, B2?
I did, B1.
Talk. Talk.
Billy!
Billy?
Are you here?
Hello.
You're back, Billy.
Billy back. Billy back.
And you are real.
Billy real. Billy real.
Quick, B2. We have to get the Teddies. You stay there, Billy. Oof! After you, B2.
After you, B1.
Thank you. Teddies!
Wait!
We saw Billy again.
And he talked again.
Are you sure this isn't a trick?
We promise it's not.
Are you absolutely sure?
Absolutely.
Really and truly absolutely.
Okay, Bananas. Show us this Billy.
This way. This is the spot.
Where?
There.
Bananas!
A trick isn't funny if you keep playing it.
It's very unfunny.
But Billy isn't a trick.
He really is a talking bird.
Oh. The Teddies don't believe us, B2.
Oh, what can we do, B1?
Billy, there's a big pile here.
As much as you can eat.
Thank you. Thank you, Bananas.
This is our chance, B2. Let's go.
Teddies,
Teddies.
What now, Bananas?
Billy's outside right this minute.
Come and see.
We're making lunch, Bananas.
Why don't you join us? And let's have no more tricks about talking birds.
But Billy is real.
We can show you he's real.
Please.
All right, but let's do it quickly. Lunch is almost ready.
Oh, well, this is the last time, Bananas. If we don't see Billy, we never want to hear about him again.
Trust us. Billy!
Oh no!
Bananas, I want you to promise never to trick us about Billy again.
Oh! Maybe he flew away because of this smoke.
I think you're right, B1.
Smoke?
Our lunch! Oh, I left the stove on.
We're sorry, Teddies.
Very, very sorry.
It's all right, Bananas.
It is?
Because you're going to clean up these saucepans.
We are?
And not tell any more tales about a talking bird.
Oh.
What a mess, B2.
And it's not just the saucepans, B1.
Billy keeps going away at the wrong time.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
And Billy keeps coming back at the wrong time.
Every time we ask him to do something, he does exactly the opposite. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's shoe time! If we shoo him away,
It means he'll stay here. Then the Teddies will come out and see that he's real.
shoo, Billy, shoo!
Shoo, shoo.
Shoo! Oh dear, he did fly away, B2.
What have we done?
Billy, come back!
At least we saved some of our lunch.
I'll get the Bananas to come and have some too.
And when they do, they can look at this. What is it? It's a big book on birds. I'll show the Bananas that there's no such thing as talking birds.
Talking birds?
Talking birds?
Bananas!
Billy!
We're sorry.
We just wanted the Teddies to believe us.
We don't care about that now.
We just want you to be our friend. Over there.
Billy,
Please come back, Billy.
we're sorry for scaring you.
Stop! Stop!
Stop?
Drop! Drop!
Drop? Drop!
Jeep!
Bananas!
Where are you?
Over here!
Through there.
Teddies, what are you doing here?
We came to say sorry.
Sorry?
We know that you really did see Billy.
And hear him. We found out there are lots of talking birds.
Like parrots.
And cockatoos.
We're so glad that you believe us, Teddies.
Now Billy can be your friend too.
Say hello to the Teddies, Billy.
Billy?
He's done it again.
Teddies! Teddies!
There he is!
Hello! Hello!
It's Billy.
Hello! Hello!
So you're Billy. You really are real.
A real cockatoo!
Meet the Teddies. Meet the Teddies.
Come on, everyone. There's some lunch waiting at home.
And you're invited too, Billy.
Lunch? Lunch?
There's nothing better than lunch with our friends, B2.
With all of our friends, B1. Let's go!
Oomph!
Oh,
Bananas!
Oh, bananas! Ah!
What shall we do today, B1?
I know, B2. Let's visit Rat.
After you, B1.
No, after you, B2. After you, B2.
No, after you, B1.
Thank you. Hello, Rat.
That's odd, B1. Rat isn't here.
I wonder where he is.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.
That sounds like Rat. Found you, Rat.
Oh, you startled me, Bananas.
Sorry, Rat.
But what are you doing back here?
Trying to tidy up. This back room is full of junk. See?
Can we help, Rat?
Well, if you want to, Bananas.
Let's start with that box, B1.
That box it is, B2.
Cheese and whiskers.
Sorry, Rat.
Look at all these musical instruments.
Where did they come from, Rat?
Oh, they used to belong to my brothers and sisters, Bananas. We had a little band.
A band?
Which instrument did you play, Rat?
Here it is. The saxophone. I wonder if I can remember anything.
That was beautiful, Rat.
We didn't know you could play so well.
Well, I don't get much time for it these days. I probably should throw all these out.
You can't do that, Rat.
But what use are they, Bananas?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
Let's start a band!
And we can use all these instruments.
All right, Bananas. The problem with a band is that you need others to join in.
Oh, don't worry, Rat. We'll get lots of others to join, won't we, B1?
Lots and lots, B2. Let's go and tell everyone right now. Bye, Rat!
Why are we stopping, B1?
Because that's the Teddies' house, B2, and we should ask them first.
Good thinking, B1.
Teddies! Teddies!
Bananas, what's all this noise about?
We want you to join our band.
Your band?
The Cuddlestown Band.
I didn't know Cuddlestown had a band.
Well, so far it's just us and Rat.
But it'll be a lot more if you join too.
Wow! A band sounds like fun.
Lots of fun. I'll join Bananas. I can play the violin. Oh, count me in. I can play the keyboard.
And I'll join too. I can play the... Actually, I can't play anything. Does that mean I can't join?
Of course not, Morgan. Rat has lots of spare instruments.
Great! Then I'll definitely join too.
Our first practice is in the park this afternoon. See you there!
Hey, Rat!
Well done, Bananas. And welcome to band practice, everyone. Oh, please be careful with those instruments, Bananas.
Sorry, Rat.
Now, we're going to play a tune everyone knows. Can anyone guess what it is?
The Cuddlestown Stomp!
Oh, that's right. Everyone ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait! I don't have anything to play.
Oh, that's right.
Come and choose an instrument, Morgan.
How about this?
The bagpipes?
Yes, they look like fun.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, that'll do, thanks. Stop! Oh, stop! Perhaps perhaps it would be better if everyone practiced at home first. And then we can have another full practice tomorrow before our concert.
What concert, Rat?
I promised Skid I'd play a little something for his beach party tomorrow. But now we're a band, we can all play.
I can't wait!
So lots of practice, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.
What's that horrible noise, B1?
It sounds like someone's in pain, B2. We better go and see what it is.
What's that terrible noise, Lulu? I don't know, Amy, but it doesn't sound good at all.
Hello, Teddies.
Did the noise wake you too?
Yes, where's it coming from?
It sounds like it's coming from
Your backyard!
You're right! What do you think it is, Bananas?
It sounds like a monster.
Oh, don't be silly. There's no such thing as monsters. It's coming from behind that bush. What should we do?
You go around that way, and we'll go around this way, and we'll catch it in the middle. Ready, set, go!
What's going on?
Morgan!
What are you doing out here?
I came outside to practice, see? The bagpipes are so hard. I'll never learn in time for the concert.
Don't worry, Morgan. Rat has lots of other instruments.
Yes. Why don't you choose one that's easier to play?
Good idea, Bananas.
And maybe you can find one that's quieter too.
How about this one, Morgan?
Not really.
Or this one?
I'm not sure.
What about this?
Yes, that'd be perfect. It looks much easier than the bagpipes.
Here you go, Morgan.
I'm going to start practicing right now.
What was that, B1? It's getting louder, B1.
What is that appalling racket?
I don't know, but it's coming from the Teddies' house.
Oh, dear! Hello, Teddies! Please don't tell us that's Morgan! Morgan! Morgan!
Oh, hi, Bananas. Do you think I'm good enough to play in the band yet?
Well, you're definitely loud enough, but you might need to play a bit more in tune.
Just a tiny bit more.
I'll never learn to do that in time.
I know! You can play the triangle with me!
Or the cymbals with me.
They're your instruments, Bananas, not mine.
Come on, it's time for our final practice.
We can't practice, Lulu.
Morgan doesn't have an instrument to play.
It's all right, Bananas. I guess I'll just have to watch.
Oh.
Stand by, everyone. 1, 2, 3. All right, stop! Oh, that was terrible. I thought I asked you all to practice at home.
I did, Rat.
Me too. Amy and I know our parts perfectly.
But if everyone knows their parts, why does it sound so horrible when we put it all together?
It's a mystery, B1.
A very noisy mystery, B2.
Rat, I think I might know why. Everybody's playing all at once over the top of each other, so it sounds like a big tangled up mess.
I think he's right, Rat.
Ooh, what if we try starting at different times so you can hear each instrument?
A good idea, Lulu. We just need someone to point at us when it's our turn to play.
But who can do that when we're all busy playing our instruments?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. Morgan can do it!
Me?
Of course! You just point at each of us when you want us to start.
It would really help us, Morgan.
But,
Please, Morgan.
oh, all right. I'll try. Is everyone ready?
Ready, Morgan!
You start first, Topsy. and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Now you, Charlie. And now the bananas. Now Lulu. And Amy. And now Bernard. And Rat. And stop.
That was wonderful, Morgan.
Oh dear! Oh, look at that time! We have to get down to the beach for our concert.
Good luck, everyone. Have fun.
You have to come too, Morgan.
But I'm not in the band.
Yes, you are.
You're our conductor.
Am I really?
Of course! Come on! Marvellous! Oh, well done, everyone!
But we couldn't have done it without our conductor.
Let's hear it for Morgan the Bear.
Oh, bananas!
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they'll try to catch them unawares.
One for Rat,
One for Amy,
one for Lulu,
one for Morgan,
and 2 for us. Look there, B2.
It's a little possum, B1. Hello, possum.
Oh, sorry we woke you.
We're picking apples for our story time tonight
The Teddies and Rat are coming over.
and reading us a story.
Oh, no! Hang on, Possum!
Don't let go!
Oh, sorry about that, Possum.
We'll be more careful next time.
You want to know about tonight?
And what story we'll have?
We don't know yet, but it's probably got elves and fairies in it.
And gnomes and goblins.
It'll be Jama-Rama! We better get going.
We have to get everything ready.
Oh, sorry, B2.
No problem, B1.
Bye, Possum! That should do it, B2.
Everything's ready for story night, B1.
Some fruit and some juice.
And the story for Lulu to read.
Pixies.
Elves.
Gnomes.
Goblins.
Oh, that must be the Teddies now.
And Rat.
Hi, everyone.
Hello?
I'm sure someone knocked, B2.
But no one's here, B1.
The back door.
We're at the wrong door, B1.
Let's go. B2,
B1, why are you out there?
you shut me out, B2.
Oh, sorry, B1. After you, B1.
Thanks, B2.
Hello!
Hello?
No one's here either, B1.
This is very strange, B2.
I'm sure someone was knocking.
Knocking, just like that.
Oh!
The knocking is upstairs, B2.
Oof! Now it's coming from that wall.
It's moving all through the house.
I think we should move too.
bananas?
Inside!
Knocking!
Knocking?
Knocking!
Oh, we do need a little more explanation than that, Bananas.
There's lots of knocking.
Inside our home!
But we don't know what's making it.
Or who's making it?
How extraordinary!
We'd better hear this knocking for ourselves.
We'll find out what it is.
A fabulous idea! Let's all go in and discover what these noises are about.
Lead on, Rat.
Why don't you go first, Teddies? I just need to polish my shoe. This rat is not interested in strange noises. Not interested at all.
Rat, where are you going? Come on, we're all waiting for you.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.
There's no noise in the kitchen, Bananas.
And there's no sound from inside the wall.
And I couldn't hear any strange sounds from upstairs.
Excellent! I knew it was a lot of fuss about nothing at all.
But there is scratching.
Scratching?
And there's the knocking.
Knocking?
Now do you believe us?
We do, Bananas.
Look!
This rat is out of here!
This is silly. We shouldn't be scared of a few little noises.
But what's making them?
And why?
Well, if you ask this rat, and I'm sure you were just about to, I'd say it could only be one thing.
What thing, Rat?
You must have a spooky in your house.
A spooky?
What else could it be?
But there's no such thing as spookies.
How do you know?
Well, because, Lulu, spookies only exist in stories. That's why.
Have you ever seen a spooky rat?
No, they only come out at night. Only when they think you're asleep.
These spookies sound a bit naughty, B2.
Very naughty, B1.
All right, Rat. If you're right, we know what to do then.
We'll stay the night with the bananas.
I suppose you want me to stay too?
You are the spooky expert, Rat.
So I am. Double cheese and whiskers.
This is great, B2. First we discover a mystery knocker and scratcher.
And now we have all our friends coming for a sleepover. Pyjama-rific!
Isn't this fun?
It's just like camping.
But inside.
And since we came back, we haven't heard a thing.
If there were spookies, they must have left.
But what do you think, spooky expert?
Spookies are very tricky, you know. They might just be having a bath or eating dinner.
Or maybe they're not even real.
Or not even. Of course they're real. They're probably sleeping, that's all.
Sleep. That's a good idea.
I'm with you, Morgan.
We're two tired bananas.
Ready for bed.
I'll turn the lights off.
Leave the lamp on, Morgan. Just in case the spooky wakes up.
Good thinking, Rat.
Then we'll see it.
I'm sorry we didn't read the story tonight, Bananas.
That's all right, Lulu.
It's great to have you all staying with us.
Nighty-night, everyone.
Good night.
Sometimes when we've said good night and the hands turned out the light, on the wall we see the features of some sneaky, spooky creatures. But we know, we can feel that they're not really, really real. Oh, silly shadows in the dark, go and play out in the park. 'Cause you won't trick us, no big surprises, and you won't be there when we open our eyes. So silly shadows in the dark, go away, you're not real.
I see it. I see it.
What is it? What do you see?
A spooky.
That's not a spooky rat.
That's the shadow of the curtains.
Oh, yes. So it is.
I saw shadows.
Me too.
But they were just shadows. They weren't spookies.
We see spookies.
2 of them.
Where?
There! They're no spookies.
They're bananas.
Bananas? It is us!
You thought you saw spookies.
But it was just your imaginations.
So it was.
Lucky you turned on the lights, Morgan.
But I didn't turn on the light.
But if you didn't turn on the light,
Who did?
It's locked! Oh, where's the key, Bananas?
we've got the key.
Then give it to me!
We've lost the key!
What's happening?
Who's doing it?
The spookies are squeaking.
What sort of spooks squeaks? That's squeaking, B1.
We know that's squeaking, B2.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's ladder time!
Be careful, Bananas! Oh, cheese and whiskers. Oh, what if they do find a spooky?
What do you see, Bananas?
Any spookies?
No.
But we do see a friend.
A possum?
All those noises were made by our possum friend.
Why did she do that?
She came into our roof.
So she could listen to our story tonight. But she got herself trapped.
And she was trying to tell us so we could rescue her.
She says thank you for your help.
I knew there was a good explanation for all those strange sounds. You see, Rat?
Of course I see. I knew all along that it wasn't a spooky.
Really?
Oh, yes. This rat is far too smart to worry about silly things like spookies. Spookies? Who'd believe in such things? Not me. Spookies! Help! Help!
Oh, that silly rat in the hat!
Ready, Teddies?
Come out and play.
Time for a game.
Our favourite game.
5-a-side banana ball.
Here we are, Bananas.
Oops. Sorry, B1.
No problem, B2.
Let's go and play.
Hold on, Morgan. If you want to play 5-a-side banana ball, then you need 5 players, right?
Right.
But we've only got 4.
4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Someone's not here, B1.
Let's find out who it is, B2.
Right. Hands up if you're here.
Hands up if you're not here.
Bananas, you can't put your hand up if you're not here.
That's right. If you could put your hand up, then you'd be here.
Got it?
No.
But it's all right, Lulu. We know who's not here.
Amy!
Hello? I need someone to help me. Sure, Topsy. What's up? Well, my cousin Wally sent me a new board game, but I can't figure out the rules. And I know how good you Teddies are with these sort of things.
No problems, Topsy. We'd love to help.
You go and get Amy, Bananas, and we'll meet you in the park in an hour.
Right.
Lead the way, Topsy. Thanks, Teddies!
Come on, B1.
After you, B2.
After you, B1.
Thank you. Oof. After you again, B2.
Thanks, B1. Amy!
Come on. It's time to play.
Sorry, Bananas. I'm too busy to play. Have fun.
What?
Aren't you coming?
I'd love to, Bananas, but look at all the jobs I have to do. Weed the garden, paint the shed, sweep the floor, clean the windows, pick up the leaves.
But how come you've got so many jobs, Amy?
Because I didn't do everything I was supposed to do last week or the week before that.
You didn't?
I was having so much fun reading my books, I just forgot. So now I have to make up for it and do all the jobs I should have done then. Oh.
Poor Amy. This is a big lot of jobs to do.
Goodness me! If Amy's list is as long as you say, then it sounds like she's got jobs galore.
Jobs galore?
That means she's got a lot of them.
Do you think you can help?
Don't worry, Bananas. You've come to the right place. I've got some ideas.
Hello, Amy.
Bananas, what are you doing here?
We're going to help you to get your jobs done.
You are?
And we've got everything we need from Charlie.
See?
Oh, thanks, Bananas. That's really very kind.
Our pleasure, Amy.
But maybe I should just finish the jobs myself.
That will take too long.
And we've got games to play.
And fun to be had.
And besides...
We like helping our friends.
Well, oh, all right then.
Right, B2, what's the first job on the list?
I'll have this floor swept in no time.
And I'll get some water in my bucket.
Careful with that big broom, B2.
Don't worry, Amy.
Oh, no.
Oh, sorry. I'll sweep that up right away. Who turned out the lights?
Watch where you're going, B2.
I'm trying.
I've got my soapy water. Now to wash the...
Look out, B2.
Look out for what? Hang on, B1!
Look out, B2!
Did we make all that mess, B1?
I'm afraid we might have, B2.
Bananas! This will take forever to clean up.
Don't worry, Amy.
We'll clean it all up for you.
No, it's okay. You've done plenty already. I'll just clean it up myself. Thanks.
Sorry, Amy.
What's our next job, B1?
Painting the shed, B2.
That's going to take a very long time.
Not with Charlie's super paint squirters.
Then let's get squirting.
Get ready.
Get set.
Bananas! Oh,
I think we'd better find some other thing to help Amy with, B2.
I think you're right, B1. I know! We can tidy up the leaves in the garden!
Great idea, B2, and we've got just the thing to do it.
Just plug it in and turn it on.
I'll turn it up to super suck so it sucks up the leaves even more quickly.
We'll have this garden tidy in no time.
oh no! Not again!
What do we do, B1?
I'll turn it off, B2! Now what's happening?
I think you've turned it too far. It's gone from suck to blow. Thanks, Amy.
Bananas! Look at what's happened to our yard.
Oops.
You said you wanted to help, but you've only made things worse.
We'll help you clean it up, Amy.
No, the best help you can do for me, Bananas, is give no more help. Hi, Bananas.
Where's Amy?
She's back at your place still.
Still?
She's doing her jobs.
And we just gave her more jobs to do.
More jobs?
More.
What are they talking about, Lulu?
I don't know, Morgan, but we need to find out. Huh? What's all this?
Whoa. I've seen some mess before, but this is the messiest. It's even messier than my bedroom.
Let's go and find Amy. Amy, what's going on? The bananas tried to help me to do my jobs. It doesn't look like they were very good at it. They weren't. The house is worse than ever.
What's this?
The jobs I didn't do over the last couple of weeks while I was reading my books.
It's good that you want to catch up, Amy, but you don't have to do them all today.
Well, I just thought it'd be a good idea to get everything done in one big go.
It might sound good, but too much work is as bad as too much play.
It's much better to do both every day.
I know that now, especially after the bananas tried to help.
And it's going to take all three of us to clean up this huge mess.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's get going.
Ah, bananas. I trust the tools worked successfully.
The tools were tops, Charlie.
Very tops, Charlie.
But you look so sad, Bananas. Did something go wrong?
Everything went wrong.
Everything?
Whenever we tried to help Amy,
We just made things worse.
now she's really cross with us. We've made one of our best friends really sad.
Oh dear, that's no good. No good at all.
That's it. That's everything done.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm pooped.
Excuse me, Teddies.
Hello, Charlie. What brings you here?
I just wanted to explain. Those tools that caused all the mess today,
Yes?
well, it was me who told the bananas to use them. So if you're going to be angry at anyone, you should really be angry with me.
Angry? We're not angry.
But the bananas think you're angry.
The bananas?
That's terrible. What should we do?
It's easy. I'll just say sorry to them. The bananas might have made a mess, but they were really trying to help.
And then we'll do the number one thing anyone can do with their friends.
What's that, Teddies?
Play!
Yay! You know the best thing about doing jobs, Bananas?
No, Amy.
What's that?
When the jobs are all done, you get to play afterwards.
And we all love playing, right?
Right!
Especially five-a-side banana ball.
Wait a minute. There's only 4 of us.
4?
Amy's right. See? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hands up if you're here.
Now, hands up if you're not here.
It could be...
Me!
Ah!
Tricked you!
Good one, Morgan. Your throw.
And you have to say who should catch it.
Right. I say the catchers should be our very best friends.
The bananas!
Go, bananas!
I've got it!
I've got it too!
We've got it!